Hi, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. I am here in our factory to show you how we make our vertical 4-track windows. We have a fully automated fabrication system that starts with this saw here, where we are cutting the aluminum pieces to length in the first step of the process. We cut everything to within a 32nd of an inch of tolerance. Everything is custom made to your specifications. The next step in our manufacturing process is the pieces of aluminum go to our CNC machines. We have 2 of them, and they do a variety of functions. One of them is to pre-drill for the screws in the flanges of the window, and then there is some notching that gets done at each of the ends of the pieces so they connect together with the best tight fit and finish. After the window sash pieces are cut to length, they come over here to our vinyl tables where the frame gets put together using our cast aluminum corners. All of these components are powder-coated aluminum, and using aluminum corners makes our window sashes the strongest in the industry. The panels get put onto one of these squaring tables so the vinyl can get applied, keeping the panel nice and square. Vinyl gets put on, and then the panels move on to the next station. Here in our window assembly area is where all of the pieces come together. Our window frames get assembled, and these nylon track inserts get applied. These are the strongest track inserts in the industry. Then our vinyl panels go into the frames, and we are ready for screening. The screen that we're using is the best mixture of visibility and durability. It is a full fiberglass screen. After all of the screens are on, then the windows get packaged up in our cardboard sleeves and labeled so that you know the size and which window number, so for easy installation. Then they're getting put into a crate and sent out to you. That wraps up a tour of our manufacturing process of the Extend Porch windows. Thank you for checking out today's video. Let us know how we can help you extend your porch.